Dysfunct fam? It's your girl Jasmine and welcome back to our Dysfunctionally Love channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner friendly, super easy to accomplish makeup look. It has a cut crease and it also has glitter. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use one garment piece and turning it into 3 different outfits, including a fancy outfit, a more casual outfit, and then like a club outfit. So let's jump right into this look. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Y otra cosita, another little thing, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, vayan y suscríbanse, subscribe to the channel before you guys leave this video, please, and thank you. Okay, so I'm applying a light purple to my lid, and if you guys want a more detailed video, let me know, because at this moment I'm not like a super makeup guru, so I don't know exactly the names of these, but I will try my best to just show you guys what I do. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying a darker purple, and all I'm going to do is blend. That's it. Just going to blend those 2 colors together. So pretty much what you're trying to do is blend the colors enough to where it looks like one color, but at the same time you can see different shades of the color, if that makes sense. I'm also, because I feel like I kind of went a little sloppy at the top, I'm adding a more neutral color to my lid. And I'm just kind of blending that out so that it doesn't look so harsh when I'm done. Please don't wait here until... Using a wet Q-tip, I'm just gonna clean up the lid just a little bit before I apply the concealer. Now once you're done cleaning up your lid, you're gonna grab your concealer. You're going to apply the concealer on your lower lid and just look up, and you guys see how it automatically just shows you where you should cut the crease. So that's the line that we're going to follow. With a really flat brush, you're going to just cut it just like that. The concealer, and just pat it, pat till it's nice and smooth. Oh, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain, and I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up, yes. So hold on to me, hold on to me, hold on to me. Okay, so now time for the fun part. Now I am lightly applying glitter glue over the concealer, and you just need very little, you don't need too much. And now, using the glitter of your choice, I chose gold, and you lightly just start to tap the glitter on the eyelid until you get the consistency that you're looking for, or the glittery effect that you're looking for. So just continue to tap that on there. I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Okay, so now using the same colors you used on your lid, you're gonna just kind of blend out that outer corner there. You kind of want to just smoke it out a little bit. So just continue to blend those 2 colors in. Start with the light color and then move up to the darker color, and just blend so it looks like the glitter and the eyeshadows are just kind of merging together. Hold on to me. Okay, so now with the baby wipe, all I'm doing is cleaning up all the eyeshadow and glitter that fell on my cheek or on my face. And then with my nail and the baby wipe, I'm kind of just cutting a really sharp line right where my eyeliner is gonna go. I'm making sure it's cut nice and straight and that all the shadow there is nice and clean. Please don't wait here until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good on guys, so now with a smaller flat brush, use the same colors that you used on your lid. We're going to use it at the bottom, and we're going to just put a little bit of eyeshadow right underneath the liner line. It just helps your eyes stand out more. I think it looks better. You don't have to do this step, but I think it makes the look just look way better. Your struggles won't remain, and I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Okay, now all I'm gonna add to the brow bone is just a little bit of highlighter, and that's it. Alright you guys, and now we are just gonna apply our eyeliner, and your eyeliner, you pretty much can do whatever you want. I'm gonna try and wing it out as much as I can, and yeah, just do your eyeliner however you feel comfortable doing it, but me personally, I loved a winged eyeliner. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. So I did notice that when I was applying my eyeliner, the glitter made it really hard to apply it smoothly. So I'm not sure yet how I could really smooth that out, but the glitter did kind of make it hard. If you guys have made it this far, I just want to remind you guys to please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, continue to watch this video. Okay, muchacha, I have finally put my false lashes on, and these are my AliExpress special lashes. I'm gonna apply my BH Cosmetic foundation, and all you gotta do is just kind of blend, dab your face. Make sure you don't leave any visible strokes on your face. One more time, and I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. What I'm doing here is contouring, but don't take my word for it. I'm not sure exactly if that's what it's called, but I'm just adding some color to my cheeks. That's pretty much all I'm doing. And then lastly, I'm just adding some highlighter to the tones, and then I'm also going to add it just right over my nose and over my eyebrows. There you have it, guys. The makeup look is all complete. Now you look super freaking good. De nada. You're welcome. Thank me later, girls. Now we're gonna have to move on to this outfit, but first, get a really close look at this bomb AF makeup. I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction.
is your foundation.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough of the makeup, you guys. Here we go with our first outfit of the day. I'm going to show you guys how to style this black skirt 3 different ways. And the first look obviously is a little bit more fancy schmancy. I paired it with pink crop top and a matching pair of pink heels. And I feel like it looks really fancy. You can wear this to a wedding. You can wear this to dinner, out with your girls, out with your man, whatever. I think it looks super cute. What do you guys think?
Hold on to me.
Alright guys, so for this next outfit, it's pretty much the same outfit, except I toned it down, took the heels off, threw on a pair of sneakers, threw on this white cardigan. I feel like it's still very, very classy, except just kind of more casual. I think it's super cute. I don't know about you guys, but a skirt and a pair of tennis shoes, I feel like that's still very sexy.
Yeah, until your faith is shaken, there's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time.
Okay, so we are down to our last look of the day. This is more of an evening look. You know, this is for when you're done with your day, when you're trying to put on a nice little cute dress, trying to go shake a little something. Okay, I would highly recommend putting a little like waist belt around the waist area just to define those curves. And I don't know, throw on some black heels. I think this look is so cute. Yes, sexy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this entire video, including the makeup. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.